Hello, it's Oikwa, and we're just gonna be playing some nice, murder mystery, because I can't be bothered trying to do bed wars yet. It was so stressful. Alright, oh, innocent, okay. Well, hello anyways. Yeah, I'm just playing murder mystery because it's just much more relaxing, and it'll just be a lot more fun. I do like playing Bed Wars too, but I feel like that'll take me forever, and I'm just trying to do quick recordings, right? Well, a quick recording and see how it goes anyways. That's a murderer. The more you know. Anyway, what should I talk about? I reckon I should talk about mollusks. You know why mollusks are cool? I don't even, I keep it like, it's like crisps. I do it like that. I don't know why I say it like that. I don't even know how I'm supposed to say it. But mollusks, there's basically three main types, and it goes cephalopods, gastropods, and bivalves. Those are the three main ones. I think cephalopods is the most well-known one, at least. I think cephalopods are definitely the most well-known, because that's like squids, octopuses, cuttlefish, nautiluses, you know, I think those kind of things. And then there's gastropods, which are like snails or sea slugs or like, you know, just slugs and nudibranches. And then there's bivalves, which are like oysters or clams or um you know, just things like that. What else was I gonna say? That's a flying book that would kill me if it hit me. No, but they're very cool. I think my favorite is definitely cephalopods, like octopuses and stuff like that, just because of how intelligent they are, how like, you know, how they kind of evolved past that branch. I'm gonna get shot by lightning, which is pretty cool. Shot by lightning? Struck by lightning. Which I think is pretty awesome. You know. And octopuses actually have 9 brains. Oh, they also picked up the bow. Alright, they're an innocent. We're good. We're good. Um. Ow! Oh my god, I did it. Okay. We're fine. Yeah, octopuses have 9 brains. They have 8 in their tentacles, and then 1 that's. Okay, maybe I'll continue this in the next round. I did it though! Okay, as I was saying, I really like octopuses and like cephalopods. Octopuses are super cool, and they actually have, and because they're super smart, and they actually have 9 brains. They have 8 in each one of their tentacles, and then they have one donut-shaped one that's wrapped around their esophagus. Which is why if you wanna, it's why if you wanna humanely kill an octopus, usually you'll no. Usually you'll hit it between the eyes because that's actually where the brain is, you know? Which is pretty interesting. Octopuses and stuff and like most mollusks can also change their color. I think cuttlefish are an example of this, and they smaller male cuttlefish will actually pretend to be females, to kind of get past bigger males, like without them thinking they're a threat. They'll like even change their posture, their gestures, just to become very like very feminine, and then they'll secretly mate with the like, you know, actual females right underneath the males' noses because, you know, they just don't realize. Was that a murderer? No, we're fine. I might switch to classic. I feel scared with 2 murderers. I also really like the other types of mollusks, like especially gastropods. Gastropods are definitely one of my favorites. Because I really love snails. I always have ever since I was a little kid. Like I used to collect them in a tub and like take them around. But it was not very humane for the snails. But sometimes people would call like my mum after as a little kid after I went to their place and ask why there were snails everywhere. I was just very into bugs as a kid, which tells you what kind of kid I was. Because my mum still has nursery logs, like from when I was, you know, in like little kid school, and one of them is because they brought like stick bugs in, right? And it showed like it said that I just spent like 15 minutes just straight staring at the stick bugs. Oh, my talk, shut up. Yeah, but it said I just spent like 15 minutes straight just looking at stick bugs. And also a lot of it, like when I was young, used to pick up a lot of worms apparently too. I I was a bit weird as a kid. Although I still really love bugs now. I wouldn't like pick them up and put them in little, like, actually, I'd probably just look at them a little. I did recently go on a walk where I just kind of, it was raining and stuff. I was just looking at all the little interesting bugs on there. Like I saw some worms, I saw woodlouse, I saw a whole bunch of slugs. Like in this one crevice of a tree. It was so gross, but you know, interesting. And then I think, yeah, that was it. I don't think I saw some snails on my way back, like, you know, on garden walls. Like, you know, when you're going past. I saw some there. That was pretty cool. They were really small ones though. But yeah, they're super, I love snails. But like, sea slugs are super cool because they're always so vibrant. And I think these are sea slugs. I'm not sure. But I think, you know, like sea bunnies or sea sheep. Sea sheep are super cool because they can photosynthesize, which, you know, most animals can't. But, I really love them. Basically sea slugs. There's also sea hares. Like, you know, have you seen those like big slugs? Slug-looking little creatures in the pond. They look so cute. I can't lie. I love little bugs. I think they look so cute. I love any little bugs. Like isopods and stuff. They're so adorable. Yeah, bugs are literally so good. And then there's bivalves, which I've forgotten to talk about. The bivalves are like, you know, clams, oysters, those kind of things, which I love them too, because they can like produce pearls and stuff. And have you seen those one with all those tiny eyes? Like they have them all there. It's kind of creepy. And you know, you'd think that like bivalves wouldn't be able to move much, but they actually can. They have like they can actually swim through, but that's usually if they're like very stressed out. I think how they do it is they like get. Are they boat camping? Oh, they're dead. Yeah, but I think how like the clams and stuff do it is they kind of push air like out super fast, and they look so goofy swimming. I can't lie. I might show a clip of them swimming, I think. But they're so goofy. Oh, it's crazy. But they're cute little dudes though. I was recently at my nana's and we decided to make banana bread and seafood paella. And the first step of making banana bread is the worst thing ever. It's so gross. Like I after this I ended up having to like take squids from their insides and cut them up and stuff. That was not nearly as gross. Because with this you had to like we had to have fall ripe bananas. And these are basically bananas with like a black skin. They've been in like the freezer and stuff, you know, and then they were left to thaw out. There was like a bunch of juice around them too. It was gross. But anyway, you had to get these bananas and then you had to like squirt out the insides. Because it was the easiest way, because you couldn't just peel them like normal bananas because they were all mushy on the inside. Mushy and gross. It was so disgusting. And I had to like mash it all together. Very strange, I can't lie. Pretty cool though. Well, not cool. I don't even know why I said pretty cool. It wasn't at all. It was very gross. The rest of baking the banana bread was pretty fun though. Because you just had to... I really like cracking eggs. If I did that, I was pretty good at it. But first you had to like weigh all the dry ingredients together, which I think was... What were the two I had to go for? I think I had to do the butter and flour first. Or was it the butter and sugar? I think it was butter and sugar. Was it? I have completely forgotten. You think I'd remember. I don't. I also remember that I had to like prepare the lining for the what's it called? The lining for the like, you know, like the little baking tray thing you put them in, because we had like the little tray and I had to prepare the lining for it. Because we didn't have any preset ones that were already cut, so I had to make it myself by like, you have to like go around the sides of the actual tin and then, you know, cut around it. Okay, you know, I really do love baking. I think I prefer baking over cooking because cooking is just a lot of cutting things up and I'm not a big fan. But okay, so also making seafood paella, me and my nana, I really did like preparing the seafood. Which for the prawns it was like you had to take off the shell. And there's like this split bit in the back you had to just peel that into, you know, like, I don't know. And then you had to pull off, like, you had to pull slightly on the tail, and then the shell would just come off. It's pretty easy. And then for preparing the squids, we had to, like, take out the actual squid, you know, cut that bit off, and use, like, the main head little bit thing. It was pretty interesting. In one of the squids, we actually found this little crab claw, which I didn't even think that could happen, but it did. Oh, it's so fun. I really do love baking and like cooking and stuff. It's a big joy of mine. Uh, I wish I could bake more. My banana bread came out amazing, by the way. I'll show a picture. It tasted so delicious. 10 out of 10. The seafood paella, also amazing. Honestly, food is just pretty tasty. I can't lie. Oh god, I feel sick right now. I don't know why. Maybe because it's 3 a.m. Who knows? It could be one of the leading factors. But I'll be fine. Possible. Who got killed? They got killed over there. Okay, interesting. Oh well, they got killed. Anyways, bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed the video. You should probably like and subscribe if you made it this far. I'm not sure many of you did, but it's okay. I hope you liked the talk about mollusks and then the random tangent of me and my baking and cooking. Anyways, bye-bye!